Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with a new video. I'm actually going to a bivouac which is called Bivacco Città di Clusone. I'm in Castione della Presolana. I just started walking 30 minutes ago and my direction is the bivouac, but I'm gonna see how is the snow. If the snow is good, I'm gonna go somewhere else, but we'll see. So what a day! The last 2 hours weren't so beautiful because it was totally covered by clouds, but now it seems like the sun is coming back, but not for longer I think, because it's also surrounded by clouds and they're gonna cover everything in I think 30 or minutes or an hour. I think my little hiking it will be closed here. I won't go somewhere else because conditions are not so good, as well as I have a really huge backpack which is really heavy because it's filled with cameras, drones, batteries and it's not the best to go on a big slopes without equipment as well, and so I'm gonna take advantage to shoot again, probably with the drone, and let's see what I can film.
I wish to be me.
So it was a beautiful day. I really enjoyed staying at the bivouac, and still have 30 minutes to walk to get the car and come back home. And if you like the video, push the like button, and it would be good if you subscribe as well. And see you in the next video. Bye.